Aaron Winifred Ahemfo Mensa Isaac Aka Kendeidi or ye admin or any sons and daughters Vladimir Frimpong Manson Ewaha and afe eye Pope Wiser Jennifer Poku Riles Cuisine Akusua Papaya Entribo Siako Kujo Blacken September 22 Nanama Equio Kunkobi Lion Rock Lion Rock de and I breaking reggae the one macrank and your no Obapa Kusisa Kodi no Obapa Christine so ha Richmond Kwabena Edubuahin Randy Che Ewaha and afe Mame Araba France and Swaba Pato Landry Ima Salami the Saint Ama Ankweku and so Pizarro Classic Baba and so ejinemu dende yedamasipa mo amobebe chiri akosu abakwadwo ebeba menene krane ebonkomo wachire osisia and afi Emmanuel Mensa Shanzi Love Miriam Esemuji Nana Kwame oh yedamwase wati nananom de hie Shandi Crypto Asaribedi akon Godfred hey modoso Phrase K Opare Emilia Kofi Nicholas Asante I onu de waba no bombo no ba betoto Barbara Sari Ando I happy birthday sweetie akosi abakwadwo a osi ade o akwadwo mahunu ena beta eje adai nana ya frema ani edamase pa semaba amana yefesa muni wa yensoso yeni ho enti ene mu nyina bebo ma adwuma no fe se de ene da no enti monkoso ana moni entra ati atumu TikTok ho na kwati akutu yeso yebeko hwe sisi o ma kire mi mu no ene mi gina mu se abila bar abusuafo ye ba be breaki make we do it nipa obo nyumi ma breaking ni nyomo da ye papa Western Rodney ya showbiz mu ye friend no Benny Spear ya won first match 1945 nti say ka se wanya fie no 79 years ne ye friend is Sonia Thompson and na wo ba ko penny banso de Calvin Thompson na papa we otu nyuma lyrics enye bebre te se culture mu ni nyum bebre na akoye chorus nko anti samo kaya mi break identity say ensem bebre nche danim as assemble ko no repeat bebre but why adwuma no so ache na ofri Jamaica cry friend St. Anne's Bay ya we vocalist songwriter and reggae music artist ya papai na make we do it no asema would you free patwa adiaba brofokasemu let us do it
so we be
and to say be abeka say make we do it me just figured the fans in order make we do it divu minyama make it do it me just figured the fans in order reggae kasem na say let us do it let us do it I just need to get the fans in order and no reggae kasem be kasem make it do it me just figure the fans in order and make we do it now what can I say let us do it it's anyom no make we do it and make we do it be a what say what can I make omonom kasem no MEK make WE duet DWET
duet
patwa kasem no eti de papa ne person kan nyina ne say make we do it and if you are ready I make we do it yen do it yanyama Rastafari yanyama root and culture every nation have to do it not just say oh yenye let us do it yenye or maybe ama yenye nyina yenye na sama wo kan wonum num tietia no duty say obi bo Benny Spear nyom make it do it no enya sem bia enunti ya say ne shashamale be ka sampa twa bi je wa frɛ no anke ne ne kasa nwansa na ya break ana mi break nwansa na wa frɛ no or send baby on a network. It you so free in Yanua. Eti, why ready there? You understand me? Big up yourself. You know, say you love me.
I love you.
Me love you too. Come on, let's go.
Rasta, that's why.